All right, let's talk about something that might seem simple, but can make a huge difference in the lives of folks with dementia or Alzheimer's. A large dementia clock. You know, those clocks with the big clear numbers and usually the day of the week and date spelled out? Yeah, those. Now you might be thinking, a clock? Really? But trust me, in the world of dementia, where time can get super confusing, these things are lifesavers. First, let's remember what we're dealing with here. Dementia, like we've talked about, is an umbrella term for a bunch of symptoms that mess with thinking, memory, and daily life. Alzheimer's is the most common cause, a real brain disease that gets worse over time. One of the big challenges, people with dementia often lose their sense of time. They might not know what day it is, or even what time it is. This can lead to a lot of anxiety and confusion. That's where the large dementia clock comes in. It's not just a clock, it's a tool to help them stay oriented. Imagine waking up and not knowing if it's morning or night, Monday or Friday. It can be really disorienting, right? A clock that clearly shows the time, day, and date can provide a sense of stability and reassurance. These clocks are designed with simplicity in mind. We're talking big, bold numbers that are easy to read, even for people with vision problems. The day and date are usually spelled out, not just shown as numbers, which makes it easier to process. Some even have different modes, like showing morning, afternoon, or evening, which can be super helpful. Why is this so important? Well, for starters, it helps with routines. People with dementia thrive on routines. Knowing what day it is can help them anticipate what's coming next, like doctor's appointments, therapy sessions, or even just regular meal times. It can reduce anxiety and frustration because they have a better understanding of their schedule. Plus, it can help with sleep. Disorientation about time can mess with sleep patterns. If they know it's nighttime, it can help them settle down and get some rest. And let's be real, good sleep is crucial for everyone, but especially for people with dementia. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind when choosing a dementia clock. Go for one with a clear, easy-to-read display. Make sure the numbers and letters are large enough. Consider one with different modes, like showing morning, afternoon, or evening. And think about the placement of the clock. Put it somewhere they can easily see it, like in the bedroom or living room. It's also important to remember that it's not a magic bullet. It's just one tool in the toolbox. But it can make a real difference in helping people with dementia stay oriented and feel more comfortable. Honestly, it's the little things that can make a big impact. And a large dementia clock? It's a simple way to bring a little bit of clarity and calm into a world that can often feel confusing and overwhelming.